I will tell you about the types of jacket fastenings. As an example, I will show you how a fastening is made on a special machine. We will sew a buttonhole for this. To sew the buttonhole, we need to know the length of the buttonhole. For that, we need to know the diameter of the button. We mark the location of the buttonhole from the underside of the facing. By measuring the diameter, we've marked the length of the buttonhole. Now, we will sew the buttonhole automatically. The buttonhole is complete. This is a button fastening. There is also a type of fastening with hooks. It can be done with hooks, snaps, zipper tape, and invisible zipper tape.